working on a combine, guys. Hopefully, we can get a payout by the end of this month or as soon as next week. And today's loss really made me sad.
Yeah, walk us through it. Walk us through that right there. I missed it. I missed the play.
So I will show you the exact play. Actually, I'll walk you through the play. Let's see. So we took shorts literally here. It broke one of my key levels. We literally took it like right here. And then we get this candle coming up. So I'm like, okay, it's gonna, respect this line and reject off this candle, and then as soon as I saw it not reject off this, I'm like, yeah, this is a losing trade. And I lost 200 and
Yeah.
some and 100 and some dollars, but one loss sometimes can ruin the whole profits, especially when you're dealing with a small port. I had a couple people say, "Oh, I should be staying in it," but the problem is when you're dealing with a small port, it's very difficult. So, but yeah, that's why I hate taking shorts and puts, man. I hate it. I hate it so much.
Yeah, I feel that.
Yeah. So that was the exact play that we took. But even this past week, the market has been so difficult to trade. And if it's gonna be like this tomorrow, I just can't trade it. It's just not worth it. Not worth the stress, not worth rejection or anything. That's about it. That was a play. Did you take any trades today, Icebank?
Yeah, I went for a long and it failed.
Oh, like in the live?
Yeah, yeah, it failed. It was supposed to be like a bounce off of support, but and it was holding, but then eventually it just failed. But now we're back above it, which is crazy. We're back above the whole thing, and that was a whole session early.
Yeah.
So that's crazy.
We're above the whole thing, and of course we're now into this Chopville.
Yeah.
We're in this literally back into Chopville, and it is like, dude, it's just like when you look at the overall picture, Iceberg, like remember I was telling you here, this is the bottom, and if you look at the overall picture now at the 15-minute time frame, I mean, this looks like it does want to push up. I mean, we need to break this line right here, this key level, for the continuation to happen, but when you kind of look at the 1 minute and you break it down, it's like, and we'll just kind of zoom in more. It's how do you trade this? Like, how do you trade this? Like, even if you want to take, like, let's say a put here, or excuse me, a short, not a put. I mean, let's say you enter here. Well, you're getting stopped out for sure. Let's see what that is. 347 all the way. For that's a 60-point stop loss. Even with one micro, you can't trade this with futures. You just can't. Like this is just nasty. This is nasty. Does that make sense, chat? Yes, no, maybe so. But geez, right when market opened, it looked like it just wanted to rip, and it did. It ripped, so the market opened right about here. Yeah, I mean, it ripped 100 points. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, chat, sorry for the loss today. I wasn't Wasn't ideal. It's been such a long time since I've taken a loss, but it is what it is. It's part of the game. Yeah, sometimes a loss is needed. Well, the good thing is, um, uh, the good thing is we got it out of the way. So we got it out of the way, and I'm kind of happy that we did, to be honest, because I was just winning everything 30-40% trade. So it reminds me too that I'm also human. So how was everybody's day today? You guys all have for dinner? Be nice actually, and I don't know if this is gonna happen or not, but if this is not gonna continue up, I would love for it to sweep the Asian low. Or excuse me, not Asian low, excuse me. New York, New York, New York. So we'll actually change that color. Wall Street color, we'll change it to this green right here. There we go. That way we kind of know. And if we break this level, we can go all the way down here. But we shall see. We shall see. Right now we are coming down, it looks like. Below the VWAP. Excuse me, below the 20 EMA at the VWAP. So if we break this, we could actually head all the way down to 266. By the way, where's the anode? The ice bag is taking care of his baby in the meantime. This does look like it wants a drop. We'll see. It could be forming another base here. We have more buyers than sellers at this level, so we'll see. Yo, Scotty, what's going on? We have some red folder news too tomorrow, I believe. Stop at. Take more members. Damn, you guys are so quiet. Everybody laying in their bed, tired. Yeah, it's reversing.
What are you looking at?
So I told them I would love for this to come all the way down to New York low. I don't know if we'll get it or not. But I would love to form a base here and possibly take it to the upside. I don't know if this is going to fully reverse, so we'll see. I mean, we literally have to break this level, which is, if we zoom in, what is that dot? 25,327. Actually, to be exact, we'll move this up. 25,329. The continuation of 396.
You know what? I think I might.
That's
play
what
short
I'm
here.
seeing. You want to play short?
Yeah, I'm going in.
All right. How many micros or minis are you going?
I'm just doing one mini.
One mini, okay. Yo, Ice Bag, guys, is gonna go one mini short.
Yo.
If you guys want to follow. Welcome to the night session of futures trading with Dr. Coobs and Ice Bag.
It's giving a retest here of what we're trying to break out of, and I'm just not gonna think much about it. I mean, it's simple stuff. Simple stuff right here. So let's see if it doesn't go straight to stop loss. And yeah, man.
So if you guys look at my screen, what Ice Bag is literally counting on this right here is what he's seeing is this.
But it's
Once
going
it
straight to
comes to
stop loss,
close,
dude. That's
something.
crazy.
Did you say?
It's going straight to stop loss. But where it's at is like, you know, I'm just gonna give that a shot. I mean, I'm seeing this as like a triple top, and you know, we put in 3 highs,
Rejected
failed to
once,
make
twice.
we
could
failed to make a
reject it
high, and the previous day rejected. We're at the 50% of the previous day, and yeah, but it's not looking good here.
Guys, we would like for you guys to try to pass your combine. Risk management.
Yeah, man. And the invalidation point here is just like the hour flips green. If it flips green, then that's it. You know, I'm not willing to put it any higher.
Oh.
Yeah, that's crazy, dude.
It's okay. It's okay. The night is still young. It's okay. Okay. Rejecting off this, so let's see. I mean, like you said, it hit it once, twice, third. It's
Yeah,
gonna
I'm
break a
out of
fourth
that.
if it doesn't. Out. Okay.
Okay, so
Everybody's out.
let's see, man. You put in these 3 highs.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, he decided to go back up.
Just gotta be patient. Patience, patience. Yeah, for dinner, Ice Bag.
I didn't eat yet. I had some. I just had a
Oh,
sandwich earlier, and I'm still full off of it.
turkey sandwich.
Yeah, something like that.
You know what's a really good turkey sandwich is from Jersey Mike's.
Yeah, the wifey likes those sandwiches there.
Yeah, I like them too. Chat, do you guys like Jersey Mike's or no? Zoom in a little bit for you guys to see the screen a little bit better. CFix never had. No way, bro. You've never had Jersey Mike's CFix? You live in the States? You live in Cali and you've never had a Jersey Mike's? CFix, your homework tomorrow is to go to Jersey Mike's and grab your lunch there. I used to like Jimmy John's Anode, but not so much. I feel like it's gone downhill. So right now in Minnesota, it's 9:30. It's 9:30 in Minnesota. California, it's 7:30 right now. Ten 30 here in Boston. My best friend lives in Boston, actually. She works at Harvard School of Medicine, still doing her research on COVID. Boston's a pretty fun city, I've heard. Lots of food, lots of bars. I'm assuming you're a big Patriots fan, Scotty. Not gonna lie, bro, I hate the Patriots. Yeah. I'm so sick of seeing you guys in the Super Bowl. Like, seriously, Patriots and Seahawks. Like, Patriots, Seahawks, Kansas City Chiefs. I can't stand those teams, man.
Oh yeah, dude. The
Always.
Patriots got wrecked, bro.
Yeah. It's my dream to see the Minnesota Vikings go to the Super Bowl. It's literally my dream.
It's lucky in here.
I don't think they ever will.
That was a pretty quick SL right there. That's, we're directly on that previous day. 50. I thought I was going to reject, but instead it wanted to respect this here. And now it looks like it wants to break up.
Breakout, right?
Yeah.
I know, we'll see. Expecting that fair value gap. At the World Cup coming up this summer. We got, I believe, what, the Olympics now? Yeah, we're hosting the World Cup. I'd love to go to a game. I don't know if I'll have time for it or not. So, the World Cup will take place in Kansas City, California, Chicago, New York, Canada, Mexico, Texas. So we're gonna have a lot of tourism in the United States. So those are the places that it's gonna take place. I think Boston, I think, is one of them too. Miami too. I forgot about Miami. Miami. So it will be really, really fun. So my favorite soccer team, I'm a diehard Brazil fan. I love Brazil. And then the second team is USA, but USA always sucks in soccer, so I tend to root for Brazil. Yeah, a lot of girls. Lots of ladies. Actually, the hottest chicks, the hottest girls that I saw when I was in Miami was Venezuelan girls. Woo. One girl couldn't speak in English. So I was talking with my hands and like chat GBT Spanish, but oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, dude, girls from Colombia, Venezuela, ooh la la. I'm in paradise at that point. Ladies, the ladies. I know a few people that are renting out their normal house for absolutely insane money that live remotely close to the stadium. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They're gonna make so much money. Super Bowl, Airbnb, FIFA World Cup, all those places they make so much money. That time of year. Or maybe put ice bag. Even though you guys got stopped out, but damn. But
All right, let's see. All right, well, that didn't work, so let me see if I can get this breakout here.
yes, sir. I wish Asia session was like New York. Fast.
I mean, the way this is moving right now, this is exactly what New York was.
Yeah. So Insane Tango asked Icebag a question. Do you do futures during the regular trading hours, Icebag?
I do when I can, but it's because I go dry for my family, so I'm not as active, or like I'll be on my phone and I try to stay away from my phone. Or like today, like in the morning, I'll hop onto the live, but it's only for like short, like 30 minutes around there. Okay, I might enter here
Along?
along. Yeah, it's because I
That would
thought we
flip
were gonna,
green.
I thought we were gonna keep going down after this here, retesting the support zone, but instead it wanted to support. Now we're clinging onto the 50%, and the hour turned green. I think I'm gonna go for it here. If this fails here, that'll be nuts, dude. My stop loss is gonna go right here. At 313.775. But this turned into a breakout trade here. The first one was a rejection. This is gonna be a breakout. Well, there we go.
Holy shit! We didn't even get in. Fuck. Are you in or no?
Yep.
You're in?
Yep.
Nice. What was your entry?
324.75. Yeah, this is
Shit,
pretty
I didn't
sweet.
get it.
I wish I could have gotten heavier, but again, the first time I was just wrong, and obviously I wanted to hold on to it, and it put in this low right here, and of course we're seeing that result. So again, this is a breakout trade. Of course, this looks awesome. This of course looks awesome, but the next question is: are going to buyers stay here, or is it just going to reject and bring us back into this range? So it's not over till it's
Didn't
over.
even get it.
It's not over till it's over.
At least get a pullback.
Damn, I clicked buy at the right time. Holy shit. WWW. That's basically already making back the first loss, Insane Tango. If you took the same size stop loss, that's you basically made back the first loss.
Let's see what this next candle does. I just open for a teeny pullback.
I might even add into this too. Let's see. The things that can happen here is either it can keep going, or if it does decide to pull back, it can continue to consolidate, but above this 50% level. Either of those two. I mean, I would like it to keep going. And we can aim for previous day high. If you're in a funded, I would do previous day high, but for me, it's only 1,500 for this here.
All right. I'm not gonna have the best entry, but I'll go for it.
Let's go, RJ. 398. Awesome, dude. Did you do that short at first? Did it make sense while I was trying that out? Since we have some time here to kind of break that down.
Yeah, now's a good time to ask kind of questions when it's.
Oh yeah, almost $700 profit instantly. Nice, dude. Yeah, man. That's W management there. Like when you see a pop like that, this is a perfect example to kind of get into that right now. Actually, we got in, right? We usually, we would expect it to, slowly but surely going up. But when you see a pop like this, it just instantly goes. Doesn't matter if it's like 13, but because it was so fast, that's how you want to manage. You want to take your profit, move your stop loss, things like that. Because if it keeps going, if it pops high and then immediately comes back down, that's sucky. He wants to keep going too, so let's keep this up. Again, I'm always going to say this. Like, yeah, this looks awesome right now, but buyers are stepping in. Now the next question is, are they going to stay here and take us higher? Because anything can still happen. Anything can still happen. What was your entry, Coops?
Entry was 336. I'm gonna go off the momentum, but I'm keeping the stop loss tight. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work.
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Yeah, it's still good, RJ. It's still good.
Sorry, I'm looking at my screen. What's full TP for you?
For me, ideally, it would be previous day high.
Got it. Let it rip. Nice, 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 nice.
I'm just in one mini. I'm in one mini here.
Love for this just to continue ripping up. And the previous day high, folks, is 446.
Damn, dude, I might just start shopping for Lambos right now. Fuck it.
I hope this goes up because I had such a shit entry.
Scotty, that's entirely up to you, dude. That's up to you, man. You just realized I was doing 5 cons. Yeah, dude, 5 minis is yeah, that's crazy, man. Yeah.
5 minis?
He said he realized that he went 5 minis. Yeah, dude, that's max contracts and that's heavy size. Funded or not, I never go 5 minis unless I'm like, dude, you know, fuck this, dude. I'm just gonna full port. That's full porting for a combine.
Oh. Come on, come back up.
Yeah, Scotty, if you're still learning how anything moves, you should not be thinking about sizing up. You're perfectly fine how you are here. Especially if you're trying to get familiar with the platform, all that, this and that. But matter of fact, let me ask you this. If you are thinking about sizing up, you got to ask yourself, how fast are you trying to pass this? If you're trying to pass this in one go, you want to go max cons. If you're not, then you wouldn't do that. But if you go max cons, that's your understanding that you could just blow this shit. So you got to ask yourself those questions, dude.
Come on, push up, dude. Don't be giving
Like
me
right
this
now, in
fuckery.
hindsight, right now, dude, I would have loved to go for 4 or 5 minis. Of course, look at this move. But I'm in 1 mini and it's fine. But what if this move happened against me and I went 5 minis? What would that look like?
You lose the account.
Yeah, right now it's so easy to say, hell yeah, I should have went all in.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Come on, keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Let's go, baby.
I'd love to make a grand tonight. I'd love to make a grand
Dude,
tonight.
fuck it, bro. Just size in all the way. Go 5 minis, Coobs. You
Old Coobs, yes. Old Coobs, yes. New Coobs, no.
New Coobs.
Fuck! because I realize people follow me a lot, and if I lose, they're gonna lose big. If I win big, they'll win big, and if I lose big, I
Scotty
get
is
shit
saying,
on.
unless I feel super confident in it. Yes, dude, of course, man. If you feel super confident in a position, yeah, man, for sure.
Oh, I'm just up $30 on this. Come on, baby.
Life is full of things you pick.
Shut up, ads. All right, chat. Type in if you're in a W trade with us for Asia Sensation Session.
We don't talk about tomorrow.
Let's bump it up.
We don't ask what this could be. Just your hand around my shadow. Just your eyes locked into me. It fades into the silence.
Yeah.
Heartbeat on the flashing light.
Let's go, chat. We're jamming the music. So my 150. Yeah. You could do that. Do I play futures options that I do on QQQ? Yes, I do, but it's so hard to kind of like be doing two things at the same time. If you guys want, I could start showing my futures tab and be calling out. Let this fucking pump, baby. I need this fucking grand tonight. But yeah. Trading. So for me personally, I love trading New York. I don't like trading Asia session. That's just my personal preference. New York, I love trading New York though. Yo, come on, pump this shit up for me, boy. Pump it up.
I mean, New York, dude, there are some cleaner setups during New York, for sure. But for me, it's more so the fact that, you know, I got to get going in the mornings. I can't really hang around that much. So that's why I choose to, like, you know, just do this here at night. And plus, if you're looking, like, if you're in a funded and you're looking to trade this, I mean, silver in general, man. Well, actually, yeah, I mean, I guess it doesn't matter because they restrict you. But I mean, silver in general, dude, you can't really. If we're being honest, the only reason why you're trading silver is because you want to bank big. So it's not really, you can't really say silver is like the thing that, you know, that dictates your trading during NY, New York. Right now, everyone's making their pretty penny on a silver. So that's why everyone is like talking about it. But everything is still controllable, still manageable, like gold or NQ. Solid trading there.
You bitch.
Yeah, I mean, there's definitely money to be made like during the overnight session, Tango. But for me, like, since I don't usually try to trade New York, if I'm content with what I make in the overnight, that's also the reason why I don't show up during New York, because I don't really need to or want to, or I'm just happy as is. But what you can also do is, you know, if you get comfortable with the overnight session, you can make enough to create a buffer for yourself. So like, let's just say you're unfunded. Let's just say you make $5,000. Now you have $5,000 to play with during New York. So it kind of gives you that, you know, you could be okay being wrong like 1 or 2 times, but obviously you want to manage that. You don't want to go red on the day. But you can give yourself like 2 or 3 chances without mentally knowing that you're going to end up red. But most of my money, I've made for sure during the overnight session. Tango, I'm not going to tell you when or where you should move your stop loss, but let me ask you this. If you saw this turn red, would that upset you? Would that make you want to, would that make you feel a certain type of way? Or if you want, you can trail it at the top of this fair value gap here. Yeah, if you, yeah, yeah, man, of course, dude. The goal here is to try to pass it. So yeah, I mean, me personally, I'm leaving it here. If stop loss gets hit, then that's fine. But if I was funded, yes, I would probably be break even here. But I'm not.
It hit my
Is Anita.
break-even point. Okay, I'll try it for a re-entry.
Just because your stop just hit, you probably had it way up there. Yeah, man, that's dope. So yeah, it's good management. There's no wrong way of managing it. There isn't. If you trailed it way up here, that's fine. But you also got to think about
I'll
like
try to get it
what are the possibilities of the things that can happen. Since we are breaking out of this range that we were in, it can still come back down, give it a retest, create that leg down, put in a new pivot point before coming back up. Because right now, this is still breaking out. So I wouldn't doubt another retest of this range.
Yeah, I got stopped out. I left it at break even, so re-entry.
Yeah, man. Or it can just keep ripping. That'd be sweet. I'd like for that to happen. But so far, so good, man. So far, so good.
If we disappear in sound, I remember how you held me when the world was spinning.
Coobs, I'm gonna turn you down here on the Discord because of the music.
I turned down the music on my phone.
What was that?
I said I turned down the music on my phone.
Okay, bet. It's because
Yeah,
I got
yeah,
music here
it's
on my
okay.
stream and
No,
music and
it's
type of
okay,
music.
it's okay. If you want me to turn it off, I can.
It's okay. I mean, I'm just gonna turn you down a little bit.
Would you add to the position if it came down to 330 ice bag or no? It's gonna reach level. Like curiosity from just a trading perspective.
I would want to see a low get put in somewhere, which on the 5 minute it looks like it does want to do that. So if it does put in a low somewhere around the 30s, because right now it is pulling back. So yeah, I could give another retest right here. You know, consolidate a little bit, or maybe kind of put in the pivot point, and then maybe I can add in there. But I gotta see it. I can't. Obviously you don't want to add just because it get to its level, just because you want to see what's happening at that level. So right now, where as it sits, I gotta see what goes on above this range. So this will be the 320s. That's what I gotta see for me to consider adding.
For me, I can't do anything. I can't hop in the trade because I don't know if it's gonna go to that pivot point. I'm just on standby.
Yeah, Tango, that's
Uh,
there is a delay on YouTube, so that it's better to be here in the Discord. Sura on YouTube. Hello, Icebag. What up, man?
I want to re-enter it so bad again, but get burned. Get back 336. Right to the top. It's so good.
Time moves like it's undecided. Every step.
Members joining. Awesome Ice Bag. Tell them to join the Discord. Nice. Daddy needs 3K to pass. Nice. I just managed the position based on where your entry is. We could be heading down, so just an FYI.
We were almost close enough to fall without a plan.
Fake for the 150K is the maximum 5 minis you could go or 10. Stop loss to break even chat just in case you never trimmed or anything. Manage your positions. I got stopped out a long time ago because. Okay, not bad, Insane Tango. Yeah, we gotta pass it brick by brick. That really came down. Shit. The ice bag is away from his computer. Hmm. Yeah. Of heading down, but let's see, chat. Let's see. We are heading down. Oh, wow. Uh, who else took the short ask the way down? I know I'm not the only one. Oh, we didn't.
And
We were trying to get you to talk, bro.
I just got back. Yeah, this is probably the pullback you were looking for, Coops.
Yeah.
But yeah, like I said, this could just be a retest. Let's see. Scotty, you need 3,000 for what? For, you got a 50K or what? Scotty. Yeah. A 50K, you need $1,500 per day. Unless you're down 1,500. Then yeah, you need 3,000. Who else took that short ass the way down? I know I'm not the only one. You entered on the test? Nice, man. Yeah, dude. Let's just hope that's the only retest we get. I'm still happy with this stop loss. I'm happy. So even if it does decide to cling on to this, the 50%, like again, this is the range we created here. We're breaking out of it. This is the retest. Let's hope that it does keep holding and keep going up. Even if it decides to, hopefully it just doesn't like come way down here to wake us out and then it goes up. But this is a key level here for me and I feel pretty good.
I'm gonna re-enter right here, so let's see.
Bet. On the 15-minute too, if we close above this here, I'll probably add. But for right now, I'm just letting it cook. If we close above this zone here on the 15-minute. So that would be 339, 338. But we got to close above it. But for right now, just hands off, let it do its thing. And yeah. And even if stop loss hits, I mean, I'm not adding because then that would increase my stop loss and I'd be down a lot more. So adding on the confirmations. But yeah, so far I like this reaction here off of it. So let's see. Again, What I really don't want to happen is to get wicked out and then it goes in our favor. Yeah, man. I would like again the previous daily 50%. Like okay, so that's the thing about the daily 50% that you have to understand. It can literally go in any direction. The way this just kept consolidating. I mean, look, we tried a short. We tried a short down here. Oh shit, I'm moving this. We tried a short, pretty much immediately got stopped out. And then we went back up and we put in this low. So that to me in turn up here, I decided to, take the long, broke out of it, out of this consolidation zone. And so now we're breaking out of it. Now we're giving it a retest. Of course, I want to keep this. I want to see this keep building the support. We got the red candle, then the green candle reaction. This is another retest. I, of course, want to see it close above, keep holding this area, and then another leg up. I'm happy where my stop loss is. I'm not going to, put more at risk by lowering it because then to me, this is going to be the invalidation zone, the level where it's going to invalidate this for me and I'll just re-enter. It's fine. I'll re-enter there. But those are the things I want to see. And yeah, now we got to let this cook.
And the wicks on this. Woo! Wicks, the wicks, the wicks.
Yo, what up, L7? What up, man? Yeah,
Yeah, well,
buyers did not
Seven's
want to
been
stay up
joining us.
here. We broke out of it beautifully, but they did not want to stay up here. No, yeah, you gotta trade directly on Top Step, dude. Scotty. Has to be directly on Top Step. No trading view. Yeah, that's nuts, man. I'm cutting it here. It's basically at stop loss. All right, I'm gonna give it one more. Let's do a silver trade with Coobs. with Coobs. Yeah.
Hey,
Let's do it.
don't make me do it. Don't make me do it. All right, let's take a look at silver. Holy shit. Yo, silver looks fucking choppy as fuck.
Silver?
Yeah, look at that shit.
Yeah, yeah.
Damn, NQ hit the stop loss. Sheesh.
Yeah. I mean, it was looking really good, dude. I was up like what, $300, and then buyers didn't want to stay up there.
Let's see. So 1 micron silver is risky business, guys. You'd be surprised. So are all the rumors true, Icebag? Top Step denying payouts and all this bullshit?
Yeah, I guess so.
Why though? Like, why are they doing this all of a sudden?
Because of silver. Yeah, look
So
at
I've
this.
just
Look at
traded
NQ just
silver.
dumping now, dude. That's crazy. L7, you said you're shorting? Damn, son. That was a nice catch if you got it. What was your entry?
So you're saying if I start trading silver, I may get a denied payout?
I don't know.
I would be so pissed if
Yeah, dude, I would
they
be upset
denied my
too.
payout. Like all that hard work just makes you say fuck you guys.
For real, dude. I mean, that's basically what's going on. Wait, you're short from 303? That's way down here. So you were in drawdown this whole time? You were red on that position? Yeah, it has to be about M and Q there. Okay, what are we thinking, Coops? What are you looking at? I'm going to your screen here.
Option on Q. I don't mind taking silver trade, but it's choppy. There's like no that.
The crazy thing is, we're right back at the entry for the short from earlier, which is crazy, dude. Oh my gosh, man. That's crazy.
But even when you look at silver, look at this nasty chop to the top.
Yeah.
Like up, down, up. It's just not worth it. Would have been a nice move. Would have been nice. I just haven't traded enough to be familiar with it. That's all.
The 4-hour flip red. The hourly didn't even break the high. It's just going down. The 1 minute just bearish candles here. Just bearish, bearish, bearish. I mean, do we just
We had a lot of people today going in.
say that again?
We had a lot of people join the Discord today.
That's awesome. 30 points right here. I mean, I think I'm gonna try short, dude. I mean, it's a sucky feeling, like ping ponging like this. You know, we tried the short, then the long, but I hate this feeling. But everything else here, though, on the higher time frames, I mean, the 1 hour. Oh, hold on. Yeah, the 30-minute bearish, 4 hours bearish, 15 red candles, 4 hours. You know, again, it's moving down. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try it again. Last try. Last try on this. I think I might have missed my good entry though. My ideal entry.
Yeah, I'm just worried that if you get in, that it's gonna try to tap into 318, which is a 20 EMA, and then come back down. But looks like you're in here.
But that would be fine for me because my stop loss would be way up here at the high. Give it that room to breathe, and if it wants to do all that, then
Yeah. Are you in?
no, not yet. But see, I don't want to buy the bottom. I mean, sell the bottom, and then it just decides to come back up. Yeah, I'm thinking about shorting here, but it's just nuts. I really thought it was gonna keep going up, dude. I mean, look at this breakout and then just same move back down. This has been happening to me since yesterday, last night. Breakouts and then immediate moves back down. Same exact move back down. 31
Right.
points up and then, you know, made that high and then 31 points, 34 points down. That's right. CPI is tomorrow, I think. That's also why this shit's just being annoying.
Yeah.
Wait, is it tomorrow? Is CPI tomorrow? Friday
believe so,
CPI.
yeah.
Never mind. It's Friday. Friday. Yeah, you said that. Never mind. Well, yeah, I don't know. I do expect this kind of price action with CPI in coming up this week. Yeah, look at it want to go now. I was so close to pressing the sell button. Nuts. Okay, look, well, we're right back to the original entry that
my
I
God,
tried. Yeah, this is the
going.
original entry I tried for shorts. And look where we are now.
God damn it, Ice Bag.
I know, bro. Ain't that some shit, bro? Oh my god. Look at this. Well, see, this is the thing though. I was short, but if I was really like, if I really believed it and my stop loss was like, way up here, gave it all this room, look at it now, bro. That's crazy. That was the first trade of the night. A short.
Scotty's in it.
Yeah, Scotty, man. You know something we don't, bro.
Yeah, it's below the VWAP now.
Yeah, that it's just crazy, dude. See this shit. Oh my god. I mean, but then look, I don't want to get too ahead of myself now because I don't want to go ahead and enter and then just freaking bounce all the way back up. So it's all good. Look at it go now.
Yeah, it's gonna come down to this base. So there's two scenarios that can happen. You don't take a trade now. Okay. We wait it out a little bit and we try to look for an entry at longs at that 266 level. Because right now, here's the thing. If you hypothetically do get into shorts, hypothetically speaking, we are below the VWAP. We are below 20 EMA. I'm just worried that it's going to come back maybe around to this fair value gap, about 306, reject, and then come back down. See what it's doing now? Like, you've always got to wait for those pullbacks. If it touches the 20 EMA and rejects, your shorts are still valid. Shorts.
Yeah, I got very oddly lucky tonight. Well, I mean, it's what I always say. It sucks to say it, man, but I'm not wrong. I'm just way too early. And
We
I
are
lost
the
in between.
unluckiest traders, I think, on the planet. Literally the unluckiest traders on the planet. We suck.
Dude, this was my first trade of the night, a short. And look at it, just
Dude,
decided to go
stop
straight to stop loss, make a 38-point jump, and now we would have been in the green. That's crazy. It's just how it is, though. It's just how it is.
Ice Bag, we literally suck. Find a new career for us.
Bro.
Please. Please. Find a new career. Maybe it's time to start streaming
I
on Twitch.
think I might just go to college, bro.
No, don't do that. Waste of time.
Okay, look. Look, if I'm gonna enter this short, I want to see it close below here. If it closes below here, I want to see it wake up and then come back down. But if not, it's fine. I'll call it there. I definitely don't want to just jump right into this, though.
Want to come?
Yo, we got 5 viewers on the YouTube. What up, guys? Drop a like. So my wife thinks I'm cool. Drop a like.
No movies.
Say what's up.
No. Get down.
Yeah, we took 2 L's. 2 L's here. First trade of the night when I got in here, I tried shorting this. Instead, it jumped 40 points. Tried a long on the breakout. it was going real well, and then decided to reject, and now it looks like the shorts want to be true. Want to be the true play here. But yeah, Insane Tango, yeah, that's the 15-minute candle. The 15-minute candle. So it's breaking the support. If it closes below, then I just want to see the continuation down. This would be the support. If it closes, I want to see it wake up, and then when it flips red, I want to play it to this zone. That's going to be the next zone.
Movies. It down.
So I'm playing from zone to zone is what this is. So it's some clean range that we can catch here. So yeah, a node. Yeah, man, I didn't take it, dude. I was hoping it would keep going. I mean, it was looking good, but the concerns that I was bringing up as it was happening was, yeah, buyers are breaking out of this range. Buyers stepped in for this. So the next question is, are they going to stay here? I took my chances. I mean, this is an eval, so I wasn't going to overmanage it in case I missed out. But in this case, stop loss hit. It's all right. It's okay. Because what if, okay, Anode, what if I took profit and it just freaking moons? 190 plus orders at 25,400 on the book map.
How many orders?
L7 here on YouTube is saying that there's 190 plus orders at 25,400. That's above us, obviously.
Yeah, we're at 25,303, my guy.
That's a whole 200 points. Okay, we're about to close here on the 5 seconds. Okay, let's see.
Rubies, I said no. No.
Okay, there you go. We got the close.
God damn.
I want to see a wake up. And then I put my sell limit. Okay, keep going up. I don't care. You can retest these. Maybe give these a retest. Damn, I might have to bring out the belt, Coobs.
Rubies, what the fuck are you doing?
Okay. Sell limit is going in.
Hold on, my fucking cat is.
Okay, well, the sell limit's in, so if it flips and breaks its own low, we are in. We are in this short. And this is going to be my final trade of the night. Final trade of the night. And then I'm off. Because this is some bullshit here. It's some BS.
Sit on the bed. Sit.
You got in Insane Tango? You're crazy, bro.
Sit.
Nah, you're not
on the
crazy.
bed.
You're not crazy, dude.
Sit
I mean,
on the fucking bed.
if you're willing to sit through the... No, yeah, you're good, man. I'm just kidding. But yeah, that's how I want to take my entry. And yeah. And then I'm going to do a 50-point stop. I'm just going to give it the breathing room because you guys know I do 50-point stop loss. And if I really did just, if that's what I really did here, this is where I took my first entry. Right? From this point on right here, 50 points all the way up. We didn't even get close. Well, we did get close, but we had some room left for my 50-point stop. I mean, it would have, I would have been like, bro, way up here. But the bottom line is stop loss did not hit because I gave it that breathing room here. So same thing here. That's what I'm going to do here. So if I get it right here. Okay, I'm in. 50 points is going to be this high. If it really does want to come way up here, That's obviously invalidating it. So I'm in this short now. Yeah, so this is it. We're in, boys. So it has enough breathing room. Let's see it. I mean, who knows, dude? Best possible picture. I mean, we can come all the way down at this low before New York. If New York wants to kind of keep pushing up. But yeah, you have all this room. I know I said I would be targeting this, but if it decides to keep going down, I mean, best possible picture could be that low. So let's see what happens, though. Again,
Yeah, you play with your toy. Fucking cat pisses.
all right, Scotty, see you, man. Good stuff.
Later, Scotty. Later, Scotty. What's the stop loss at? You said 340 or something.
352.50. You're pretty beat up from New York. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get off here, guys. This is the trade for the night. I'm gonna let it run. Whatever happens, happens here. So
You're gonna go?
yeah, I'm
Leaving
calling
us?
it there. Huh?
You're
What'd you
gonna
say?
hop off?
Yeah, I am.
You're hopping off?
Yeah, dude. I'm gonna hang out with my daughter here. I'm gonna feed her and then hang out with her. Maybe put her to sleep or something. So I'll catch you guys later.
Later.
See you, 7. See you, bro.